They care about you as a company and as a person, actually. You know, they get to know you and the benefits are just massive.
Today we're at Signature House in Dorchester, which is a care home run by Amica Care Trust. Medaco have been helping Amica for the last 8 to maybe 10 years.
Medaco look after all of our equipment. That's anything from our lifting equipment, slings and hoists.
I find Medaco's expertise to be outstanding. They've always been able to find a solution. They've always come up with new ideas. They've been really, really helpful to us as a home here.
You get a wide range of expertise, from their engineers to the people that deliver the equipment to our account managers. You couldn't get better. We chose Medaco because they were very friendly and very helpful, and they care, so any advice we need, they're always there at the end of the phone.
A strong relationship is vital between Medaco and our clients. They know that any time they can pick up the phone and they can talk to one of the team or myself to be able to resolve something or inquire about something. That really helps in our relationship.
I think that one-to-one contact with Medaco is so important, because you don't feel like you're just a customer, you almost feel like part of their team.
I think from my point of view as a maintenance officer, the relationship that we've got with Medaco is quite a special one. Really easy to deal with. They've never let me down.
The results with working with Medaco is confidence. You feel safe when you're working with Medaco. We have a situation, they're there straight away helping, it doesn't matter what time it is.
Underlying everything is really a culture of trust. They trust us to deliver, and we trust them to be able to tell us if they have concerns, and because of that trust we can talk about them, we can communicate about them openly in a transparent way.
The most valuable part of working with Medaco is the fact that with their help we get to keep our residents safe and all our equipment working well.